Hello everyone, welcome back to AGC Maths World. We are in exercise 1.5, fourth bit. Okay, so log 1000. So we need to expand log 1000. So 1000 can be written as 10 cube. Yes or no? Yes. 1000 can be written as 10 cube. So then I am writing log 10 cube. Okay, so it is in the form of log x power n is equals to n log x. Log x power n equals to n log x. So can I write it as 3 log 10? So and base also 10. It becomes 3 into 1, that is equals to 3 is your answer. Now expand this log 128 by 625. Okay, 128 can be written as 2 power 7. Is it correct? Yes, we will check it. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64 to the 128. It's fine, it's correct. Next, 625 can be written as 5 power 4. Okay, keep in this mind. Right. Next step, log 128 can be written as 2 power 7. 625 can be written as 5 power 4. So it is in the form of log a by b. Log a by b formula log a minus log b. Log 2 power 7 minus log 5 power 4. Now it is in the form of log x power n. You should write n log x. So 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5. So we are expanded successfully. Okay, done. That's all. So now we are moving with the third problem. So the third problem is very simple. So it is in the form of log a, b, c. You can write it as log a plus log b plus log c. Log a plus log b plus log c. Okay. Now you can expand every term. So it is in the form of log x power n, n log x. So n log x, that is nothing but here 2 log x. N log x is nothing but 2 log x. Here 3 log y, 3 log y. Here 4 log z, 4 log z. Okay, so this is your expanded form for the third one. Okay, remaining also I will explain. Now see the fourth question. What is the fourth question here? Log p square into q cube by r power 4. So it is in the form of a by b. So log a by b is nothing but log a minus log b. So I am writing log a, that is p square q cube minus log b, that is r power 4. Now here it is in the form of log AB. Log AB can be expanded as log A plus log B. Log P square plus log Q cube minus log R power 4. Now can I write it as a log x power n equal to n log x? Yes. 2 log P plus 3 log Q minus 4 log R. So this is your expanded form for the given question. Okay, we are moving with the next one, that is fifth question. So fifth question solution. Now what is the fifth question actually? Log under root x cube by y square. So it is nothing but we can write as the square root as log x cube by y square whole power 1 by 2. Okay, so the square root is nothing but equals to 1 by 2, right? Okay, now see, so next step, multiply square root inside. So log x power 3 by 2 by y power 2 by 2. So now it is in the form of log a by b formula. So log a by b is equals to log a minus log b. Okay, right. Now same write down here. So log x power 3 by 2 minus log y power 1. 2 by 2 is nothing but 1, right? So now see 3 by 2 log x minus log y. So this is your final expanded form. Okay, that's all about the fourth bit. If x square plus y square is equals to 25xy, then prove that 2 log of x plus y is equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Okay, so it is very simple. I can explain in a very simple manner. Listen to this. It is an important question also. Okay, right. Now see, x square plus y square is equal to 25xy already given. Okay, what I am doing now, I know a plus b whole square formula. So but here x plus y, that's it. Small change, variables change. Okay, now x square plus y, x plus y whole square formula is x square plus y square plus 2xy, right? So now given x square plus y square is equals to 25xy. 25xy. Okay. Now what I am doing here, x plus y square in the place of x square plus y square, I am writing 25xy. So x plus y whole square is equals to 25xy, remaining as it is plus 2xy. Okay. Now x square, x plus y whole square, x plus y whole square equals to 25 plus 2. Here variables are same, like terms. So 25 plus 2 is nothing but 27xy, right? Now taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides. So log x plus y whole square log 27xy. Okay, let us change the marker, right? Now see, so here half of the problem is solved. Next half problem. So here it is in the form of log x power n. Log x power n is equals to log x power n equals to n log x. Okay, log x power n is equals to n log x. So I am writing here 2 log of x plus y. So next is equals to log 27xy as it is, 27xy as it is. And now, so 2 log x plus y. Now 27 can be written as 3 cube, log 3 cube. See here, 3 cube is nothing but 3 times multiplying 3 here. So 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. So it is 3 cube, right? Then xy as it is. Now this is in the form of log ABC. Log ABC. You know that log ABC equal to log A plus log B plus log C, right? 2 log x plus y is equals to log A plus log B plus log C. Okay, that is nothing but 3 cube x and y. Now next step, 2 log x plus y is equal to 3 log power 3 is not log 3 power 3 is nothing but 3 log 3. 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Once check whatever our requirement. What is our requirement here? 2 log x plus y, 2 log x plus y. 3 log 3, 3 log 3. log x, log x, log y, log y. So all are correct. So that's all about this